Hi there! Today I'm talking about some unique ways that you can hide money and valuables out there on the road. Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to see and explore the world. We have limited vacation times because we have full-time jobs. So if that sounds familiar, please subscribe. We're sharing all of our tips and tricks here on YouTube. So today, I'm talking about some unique ways that you can hide valuables out there on the road. Now I know there's all the usuals, right? The money belt, that little stringy thing that hangs around your neck, which everyone can see, and then they know you're hiding it in that little pouch. It's fine, it's probably better than nothing. But there are a couple other options out there that you can use to hide some money. This here is a Christmas present from my mother. It's meant to just kind of look like a cuff bracelet. It's a little bit bigger of a bracelet than I would normally wear, but the nifty part about it is that it has this little compartment in the back where you can hide a little bit of money. You're obviously not going to get like a cell phone or a passport in here, but if you're looking for a place to just hide a little extra cash, perhaps you don't want to go out with a purse on, then this little guy would work. Okay, so yes, everyone knows about the money belt, but if you are active or maybe you're swimming, they have these kind of, it's made out of the same material as a swimsuit. Anyway, it makes for a really good option, both swimming or exercising or out and about, but it just, it hugs to your waist there. And then there is a nice little pocket. I can't even find the pocket myself. There's kind of just this little pocket area in which you can shove cell phone, a passport will fit in there, money. So you can get quite a few things in here, and then it just kind of hangs underneath your clothes. Obviously, you're probably not going to put your passport in it if you're going to go swimming in it, but credit card, money, ID, great. Continuing on the clothing path, did you know you can get a bra with a little built-in zipper pocket here? Yeah, right there in the front, and it's pretty. I will say, the passport fits in there, but it's not real comfortable to have a passport pressed up there. So unless you're in some place where you really need that passport to be secure, you're probably not going to spend your entire trip wearing this bra with all your valuables tucked right there. But if you did need to, this makes a good option. Okay, this is another one my mom made, but I think you can find it some places. But basically, it's just this little slip that goes over a hanger. So you can hang this up in your room. Get the hanger wherever you are, and then you can hide some stuff in there, and then just hang your coat over it or hang something else up, and it's just hanging out in the closet. If you have a safe, obviously a safe is a much better idea. This is a pretty little handy guy. Okay, ladies, a little pad, right? You can open this up and slide a bit of little cash in it. Seen this one used before. Works pretty good for hiding some cash. There you go. Those were just a couple of ideas for how to hide money while you're out there on the road. Perhaps I'll put together a few others and share them with you. In the meantime, I'd like to hear how you hide valuables or what little tips and tricks you have. Please like, please subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out there on the road.